Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of digital products and exploring how you can turn your knowledge and expertise into passive income streams. Creating digital products is a lucrative way for entrepreneurs and creatives to monetize their skills and provide value to a global audience. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of creating and selling digital products and share strategies for building a sustainable, passive income stream. Let's get started. Digital products are intangible goods that can be downloaded, accessed, or consumed online. Examples include ebooks, online courses, digital templates, software, and multimedia content. Let's explore the different types of digital products and their potential for generating passive income. The first step in creating digital products is identifying your expertise and niche. We'll discuss how to leverage your knowledge, skills, and passions to create valuable digital products that resonate with your target audience and address their needs or pain points. Choosing the right format for your digital product is essential for success. We'll explore different digital product formats such as ebooks, online courses, templates, software tools, and multimedia content, and how to select the format that best suits your content and audience preferences. Creating high-quality content is key to the success of your digital products. We'll discuss content creation strategies such as outlining your content, writing compelling copy, designing engaging visuals, and recording professional audio or video to ensure your digital products provide value and resonate with your audience. Setting up an effective sales funnel is crucial for selling your digital products online. We'll explore the components of a sales funnel, including lead magnets, landing pages, email sequences, and upsell offers, and how to optimize your sales funnel to maximize conversions and revenue. Choosing the right platform for selling your digital products is essential for reaching your target audience and managing sales transactions. We'll discuss popular platforms for selling digital products such as Gumroad, Teachable, Podia, and Shopify, and how to select the platform that best fits your needs and budget. Marketing and promoting your digital products is key to driving sales and growing your passive income stream. We'll explore marketing strategies such as content marketing, social media promotion, email marketing, affiliate partnerships, and paid advertising to attract and convert customers. Providing ongoing customer support and updates is important for maintaining customer satisfaction and loyalty. We'll discuss strategies for offering responsive customer support, addressing customer inquiries and feedback, and releasing regular updates and improvements to your digital products to enhance their value. Analyzing performance metrics and iterating your strategies is essential for optimizing the performance of your digital products and maximizing your passive income. We'll explore key metrics to track, such as sales conversion rate, customer lifetime value, and churn rate, and how to use this data to refine your marketing and product development strategies. In conclusion, creating digital products offers a lucrative opportunity for generating passive income and sharing your expertise with a global audience. By following these strategies and staying committed to providing value to your customers, you can build a successful digital product business and achieve financial freedom. Thank you for watching VoiceOver. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of creating digital products and building passive income streams. We hope you found these insights helpful in starting or growing your own digital product business. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on entrepreneurship and passive income strategies. Until next time, happy creating.